Yo, look at this. I've never seen that kind of button before. Oh, look. Get in here first. Wow. Let's have a look around the cab. It's a little dark in here, unfortunately, so the camera isn't picking it up completely perfect. Very interesting fixtures here. I honestly have no clue what these buttons are. Look at that. There's like the mechanism for the door. Strange. New lift. Wow, this thing is cool. I was not expecting something like this in a hotel, especially like a big brand one. This is the St. Regis, so like big name brand hotels don't really leave the old stuff like this, so this is definitely a pleasant surprise. Wow, that is a beautiful building. This place is gorgeous. Interesting. Oh, that's the spring mechanism. That's how the door is tensioned, so it closes automatically. Make sure those are shut. Yes, they are. Look at this button here. I do think those are custom MAD or DMG buttons, but anyway.